This question that demands finding the best summary of the given paragraph deals with the journey of leaf blowers' popularity. The paragraph contains three main ideas. One, that leaf blowers conserve water, or leaf blowers led to water conservation. Second, that leaf blowers were banned because of environmental issues, right? So they were, and the third is that leaf blowers became popular despite bans and restrictions on them. Now, Option A states that California is the most environmentally proactive state. This is a comparative superlative statement, whereas the paragraph is making no such comparison. Therefore, option A can be eliminated. Because it is factually incorrect. Option B says, though the leaf blower saves water and was immensely popular during the initial phases of its introduction, its use is being increasingly banned because of its environmental implications. It talks about leaf blowers saving water, being immensely popular in the initial phase of the introduction, and is being increasingly banned because of environmental implications. So clearly this particular option talks about all three main ideas and is therefore the correct answer. Option C states that the leaf blower is a great way to conserve water and at the same time keeps yards effectively clean. It replaced hoses to clean water driveways and sideways. So it's giving examples, whereas the summary of the paragraph should be extremely brief. And secondly, it is limited because it is only talking about the fact that leaf blowers conserve water. It makes no reference to the fact that it's environmentally not that it's not eco-friendly and that it has been banned. So therefore option B can be eliminated. Option D again is limited. It says despite bans on the use of leaf blower, its popularity is on a rise as reflected by its burgeoning sales figure. It does not talk about the fact that leaf blowers conserve water.